Hello my dear students, welcome to the class. I hope all of you are safe at home in this critical period of Corona. In the previous class, we were discussing about logarithmic differentiation part 1. Continuing the previous class, today we will discuss the rest of the problems of the chapter. So let's get into the video. Here is the next question for the chapter. You see the question. So x to the power x is equal to y to the power y. So we have discussed the methods to solve these types of problem in the previous class. So directly we take logarithm here. So log of x to the power x is equal to log of y to the power y. So the consequence is x into log x is equal to y into log y. Now we can differentiate the function. So differentiating with respect to x, left hand side is the product of two functions, x into log x. So differentiation of x is 1. We have only log x plus x into differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Go to the right hand side is equal to differentiation of y. This is dy dx into log y remaining same. Then plus differentiation of y will remain same and differentiation of log y is 1 by y, and for y you are to write dy dx. So that is implies this x is cancelled. So log of x plus 1 is equal to the term involving dy dx. All the terms are in the right hand side, so you can directly take common dy dx. So dy dx whole into this is log y only. Then plus here y cancel, it is only 1. So from here you can write dy dx is equal to 1 plus log x divided by this term 1 plus log y. So you leave the answer here. So now we have another question. See this question, y is equal to sin x to the power cos x. So this problem, base is a function of x and the exponent is also a function of x. Therefore we are to take logarithm here. So log of y is equal to cos inverse x into log of sin x. I skipped one line. So then you write differentiating with respect to x. So log y function derivative is 1 by y, and for y you are to write dy dx is equal to, there are two functions, one of the function is cos inverse x and other function is log of sin x. So cos inverse x derivative function is minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square, you know this, and log of sin x remain same. Then compulsory plus. Now cos inverse x function is remaining same into log function derivative is 1 by sin x here, 1 by sin x, and for sin x by chain rule derivative is cos x. So we need only dy dx, no terms involving dy dx except this term. So therefore you can directly write dy dx is equal to this y will go to the numerator with cross product. So y whole into, this is actually minus of log of sin x divided by root over 1 minus x square, then plus it is cos inverse x remaining same into cos x by sin x is actually cot of x. So you leave the answer here. Okay, so we go to the next question. So this is your question, and you can solve the question yourself. Just the function on the right hand side is of the form function to the power function. Therefore directly take logarithm. Log of log y is equal to x log x. Then differentiate it. So you can solve this problem. So this is homework for you. And then you come to another question. This is the question, and you can solve this question also. So this is also homework for you. Directly take logarithm. So log of y is equal to sin x into log x. You can solve the problem. Okay, come to another question. So this is an important question, y to the power x plus x to the power y plus x to the power x is equal to a to the power b. This is constant. This is constant. So this question can be solved by two methods, by taking u plus v plus w is equal to a to the power b. That is one of the method, and other method by direct differentiation. So I use the alternative method. So here we are to write e to the power log of y to the power x. We can write like this. We discussed in the previous class. Similarly, plus e to the power log of x to the power y. Then plus e to the power log of x to the power x. On the right side, though it is in the exponent form, but the function is the constant function, therefore need not to write in the format of logarithm. So that is, it implies e to the power, it is actually x log of y plus it is e to the power y log of x plus e to the power x log of x is equal to a to the power b. This is your expression now. Now differentiate. Differentiating with respect to x. So it is e to the power function, therefore differentiation is itself. So e to the power x log of y into derivative of the power function, the power, it is x is 1, so we have log of y plus x into log y derivative is 1 by y into y derivative is dy dx. This is the differentiation of the first one. Then for the second one again, plus again e to the power function remains same, e to the power y log of x into differentiation of the power, y derivative is dy dx into log x remaining same, plus y into log x derivative is 1 by x. This is for the second one. Come to the last one, then again plus e to the power function, so remains same, e to the power x log of x into derivative of the power, so x is 1, it is only log x plus x into 1 by x, and on the right hand side you see this is a constant number, so derivative will be 0. Now that is implies, so in the previous class we already discussed, this can be written, this is actually what? It is actually e to the power log of y to the power x, and that is, you see here, this term was actually this term, and that term was actually this term, and that is again equal to only y to the power x. So we directly put here y to the power x, y to the power x into, this term is replaced by y to the power x, and this is log of y, then plus x by y into dy dx is the first one. Then go to the second one, plus in the similar manner it is actually x to the power y, x to the power y into, the rest of the section is dy dx into log x plus y by x. Then the last one, plus it is actually x to the power x. This x will go here, and e log, it is x to the power x into, this term is log x plus 1 only, this x is cancelled, is equal to 0. Now you complete these products and take dy dx common. So the completion is y to the power x into log y plus y to the power x into x by y into dy dx plus x to the power y into dy dx into log x, then plus this term, it is x to the power y into y by x, then plus, need not to complete here, it is only x to the power x into log x plus 1, because there is no term involving dy dx, so we left out the term, its term same is equal to 0, and then it is implies take the term involving dy dx, so these two terms involve dy dx. So you take common dy dx. Dy dx is common. So it is actually x into y to the power x minus 1 by exponent property. So x into y to the power x minus 1, this one. Then plus dy dx is taken away. It is only x to the power y into log of x. No more terms involving dy dx, and shift all other terms to the right hand side is equal to, this term is shifted to the right side, so it is simply x to the power x into log x plus 1. Then this term is shifted minus, it is actually y into x to the power y minus 1. This power is y minus 1, and this term is minus y to the power x into log of y. No more terms. And so that is implies dy dx will be equal to this all terms. This is minus, you see, this is minus, negative. So all terms are negative, you can take minus common here. So numerator is x to the power x into log x plus 1, then plus y into x to the power y minus 1, then plus y to the power x into log of y, and whole terms divided by this term. It is x into y to the power x minus 1 plus x to the power y into log of x. So you may leave the answer here. So this is your answer. You see this problem, can also be used the first method, mean u plus v plus w is equal to a to the power b, then du dx plus dv dx plus dw dx is equal to 0, then du dx separately calculated, dv dx separately calculated, and dw dx separately calculated. You can use that method also, but here we use the standard method. তোমালোকে এইটো মেথড ইউজ কৰিবা, এইটো মেথড অলপ ভাল লাগিব, স্ট্যান্ডার্ড মেথড অলপ লেন্থটো কমি যায় কোশ্চেনটোৰ আনসাৰত. So this is your solution for the question, and very important question. তুমি সাবা কোশ্চেনটো এক্সামত সেট হোৱাৰ চান্স আছে কিন্তু হা. So we come to another question. You see this question, y is equal to cos x, cos twice x, cos thrice x. You can solve this problem in two methods, by using logarithm or not using logarithm. যদি log use করা তেতিয়াহলে log of cos x এটো plus log of cos twice x then plus log of cos thrice x এনেকুৱাকৈ আহি যাব. আৰু যদি logarithm use নকৰা তেতিয়াহলে আহিব dy dx is equal to, there are three functions. So first এইটোৰ ডেরিভেটিভ এই দুটা সেম থাকিব, প্লাস এইটোৰ ডেরিভেটিভ এই দুটা সেম থাকিব, প্লাস এইটোৰ ডেরিভেটিভ এই দুটা সেম থাকিব. গতিকে তাৰ পৰা তুমি আনসাৰটো পাই যাবা, তোমাৰ যেটো পছন্দ হয় হেতু দি কৰিবা. So this is homework for you. Now we have another question, number 24. Y is equal to, it is x to the power x minus 2 to the power sin x. So again you see in this question, এই কোশ্চেনটো তুমি দেখা পাবা যে পাওয়ার আর বেস দুটাতে ফাংশন আছে, এটুত নাই কিন্তু এটুত তো ফর্মুলা আছে, কারণ এটু a to the power x ফরম্যাটত আছে. This is in the format of a to the power x. গতিকে we have formula for this. ইয়াৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ ফর্মুলা আছে, but we have no formula for this, and these two terms are connected by negative sign. গতিকে মই ডাইরেক্ট লগারিথমটো এতে লব নোৱাৰিম, কাৰণ এটো মই সেপাৰেট কৰিব নোৱাৰিম. So therefore in this question also you take logarithm by the system e to the power log of x to the power x. বুজি পাইছা নিশ্চয়? আৰু বাকি সেকেন্ড পার্টটো না লাগে, this is remaining same 2 to the power sin x, because for this we have formula, কিন্তু এটো নাই কাৰণে আমাৰ লগ লাগে, সেই কাৰণে আমি এটো লৈছো. আৰু যদি তুমি u minus v ফরম্যাটত লিখা দিতেও হ'ব কিন্তু. So that is implies y is equal to, it is actually e to the power x log x minus this is 2 to the power sin x, remaining same. So differentiating এটো যেহেতু explicit হৈ আছে, you can directly write dy dx is equal to e to the power function derivative is e to the power same term, this one, into then the derivative of the power x is 1, so we have log x only, plus x into log x derivative is 1 by x. This is the differentiation of the first one. Come to the second one, so minus 2 to the power sin x. The derivative is 2 to the power sin x itself. into log of 2. You have the formula log of 2 into then derivative of sin x. It is simply cos x. So the calculated line will be, this is actually e to the power x log x. It is actually e to the power x log x equal to e to the power log of x to the power x, and that is equal to simply x to the power x. So we replace here x to the power x into, this is log x plus x is cancelled, so 1, then minus, it is remaining same, 2 to the power sin x into log 2 into cos x. So we leave the answer here. Okay, we have another question. See the question. So this is my question. Y is equal to x plus 1 by x whole to the power x, then plus x to the power 1 plus 1 by x. This is your question. Again, it is of the form u plus v. Both the functions is of the form function to the power function, function to the power function. Therefore, logarithm is necessary. Logarithm will lagibo, but we cannot directly take logarithm. Direct logarithm because they are connected by plus sign. So you can take u plus v, then dy dx is equal to du dx plus dv dx. Separate kori tumi differentiation kori apply and apply put kori dilo hobo. Kintu moi he direct method to apply kori. So that is implies y is equal to, etut ki likhibo parim moi e to the power log of x plus 1 by x whole to the power x. Then plus, it is also e to the power log of x to the power 1 plus 1 by x. This is the function now. And so that is implies y is equal to, this x will come in front of log. So it is e to the power x into log of x plus 1 by x. Then plus e to the power, this total power will come in front of log, that is 1 plus 1 by x into log of x. This is our expression now. Now we can differentiate. Therefore, explicit function, so directly write dy dx is equal to, then this function e to the power function, so remains same, e to the power x into log of x plus 1 by x is the derivative of e to the power into, then the derivative of the power, mean x derivative is 1, so we have only log of x plus 1 by x, then plus x remaining same into derivative of log, that is 1 by x plus 1 by x into again derivative of x plus 1 by x. So x derivative is 1 and 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. You know that. This is the differentiation of the first function. Go to the second one. Then plus here the function is again e to the power, so it is e to the power 1 plus 1 by x remaining same into log x is remaining same, then derivative of the power, so it is power derivative 1 is 0, 1 by x is minus 1 by x square into log x, then plus 1 plus 1 by x is remaining same into log x derivative is 1 by x. So this completes the differentiation of the function. Then you just simplify it. It is equal to, you see, e to the power x into log of this. This term was actually this one and that term was actually this term, and it is actually x plus 1 by x whole to the power x. So we write x plus 1 by x whole to the power x into this term. So whole into, it is actually log of x plus 1 by x, then plus, here you calculate directly, x is LCM, will go to the numerator, so which is x square by x square plus 1, and here x square is cancelled, x square minus 1 will be the numerator and divided by x square plus 1 will be the denominator. Calculation khini tumaloke lagile bahirat kori saba etu ahibo ha, yate x LCM numerator bol x square hol, yate x square plus 1, yate LCM lola x square hol x square minus 1, gotike x square cancel, numerator is x square minus 1, denominator is x square plus 1. So this is the calculation of the first one, and the second one plus, it is actually x to the power 1 plus 1 by x into the remaining term here is minus log x by x square, and this term is actually plus. By taking LCM, it is x plus 1 by x square. So you may leave the answer here. You may take common x square also. X square to common low variable. So that is not necessary. So that is the solution for the question. So we have another question. So etu question saba tumi etu problem u plus v format ase gotike function to the power function to the power function gotike etu problem to tumi e to the power likhi pelai koribo pariba aru u plus v format to koribo pariba. Asa moi u plus v format koru etu tite hole tomar duota method clear hoi thakibo. So u plus v method jodi koru tite hole etu kiman ahibo koba y is equal to this is u plus v. Moi duota method আলোচনা কৰিছো তুমি এটু কোশ্চন এই প্রিভিয়াস মেথড তো করিব পারিবা কিন্তু. So এটু লিখি দিবা ইয়াতে say and differentiate with respect to x. So dy dx kiman ahibo koba etu ahibo du dx plus etu ahibo dv dx. Aru eta কথা মন কৰিবা আগৰ যেটো কোশ্চন তুমি সলভ কৰিলা হেতু আকৌ এটু মেথডত কৰিব পাৰিবা. মই সেই কাৰণে দুটা মেথডে আলোচনা কৰি দিছো. Mark it by 1 এটু মার্ক কৰি ৰাখিবা. Then take u. Now what is u? U is equal to etu saba u is equal to log x whole to the power x. Log x whole to the power x. মই দুটা মেথডে কৈছো এটু e to the power ফর্মুলাত লিখি গলো কোনো অসুবিধা নাই. So then take log. So it is log of u is equal to right side to ekdom direct likhiba x into etu ami log to aru log of x to the original asile equation to. So x into log of log x differentiating with respect to x. So left hand side ahibo more 1 by u into du dx is equal to right side x is 1, so it is only log of log x, then plus x into this log function derivative is 1 by log x and this log function derivative is 1 by x. So that is implies du dx is equal to, you tell me, is equal to this u whole into log of log x plus this x and x is cancelled, it is 1 by log x only. 1 by log x only. So then replace the value of u. What is u? U was equal to, you see here, u is equal to log of x to the power x. So we write log of x whole power x and whole into this is log of log x then plus 1 by log x. This is du dx. Now we have another function v. This function is v and v was equal to x to the power log x. So we write here and v is equal to x to the power log x. So again take logarithm. So log of v is equal to, it is log x will come in front into another log x. So it is actually log x whole square. You may write log x whole square. Now differentiating with respect to x. So log function derivative is 1 by v and for v you are to write dv dx is equal to log x whole square. Log x whole square means twice of log x first function etu ahi jabo into for log x it is simply 1 by x. So that is implies dv dx is equal to, it is simply twice v log x times by x, twice v log x by x. And what is v? V was equal to 2 into, it was equal to, see here, v was equal to x to the power log x. So you write here x to the power log x into log x is already here divided by x. So now dv dx and du dx, these two results should be used in equation number 1. Equation number 1 of the editor result use koribe. So therefore 1 implies dy dx is equal to, what is du dx? Du dx is the result here. You write log x whole to the power x whole into log of log x plus 1 by log x. This is du dx, then plus dv dx it has the result this one. So twice of x to the power log x into log x whole terms divided by x. X may be written in the form of x to the power log x minus 1. Etu likhibo pariba jodi mon kora. So that is the answer for the question. Asa gotike ami aru eta question law. So this is the question. It is function to the power function, but it is not. গতিকে এইটো তোমাৰ ডেরিভেটিভটো ডাইরেক্ট আহি যাব sin ইনভার্স root x এর ডেরিভেটিভ 1 by root over 1 minus x into root x এর ডেরিভেটিভ আহিব 1 by 2 root x কিন্তু এইটো ফাংশন তুমি ডাইরেক্ট ডিফারেন্সিয়েশন কৰিব নোৱাৰা সো এইটো তোমাৰ হেই e to the power log of sin x whole to the power x সেই সিস্টেমত লিখিবা এইটোত না লাগে আৰু যদি তুমি u plus v এনেকে লৈ লোৱা তেতিয়াও হ'ব তো u এটোৰ কাৰণে লগাৰিথম লবা এইটোত না লাগে এইটো ডাইরেক্ট d x আহি যাব তো uv সিস্টেমতো কৰিব পাৰিবা আৰু ডাইরেক্ট তুমি e to the power ফরম্যাটত লিখি পেলাই এইটোত না লাগে সলভ কৰিব পাৰিবা সো দিস কোয়েশ্চন ইজ হোমৱৰ্ক ফৰ ইউ সলভ কৰিবা কিন্তু দেই আৰু মোক দেখুৱাবা আচ্ছা তো নেক্সট উই হ্যাভ অ্যানাদার কোয়েশ্চন নাম্বার 29 এটো তুমি হোমৱৰ্ক কৰিব পাৰিবা সো y is equal to x to the power sin x simple question plus খুব প্র্যাকটিস কৰিবা মুঠতে যিমান কোয়েশ্চন সলভ কৰিবা হিমানেই তোমাৰ কনসেপ্টবিলাক ক্লিয়ার হৈ থাকিব সো x to the power sin x and sin x to the power cos x তো এটো তুমি সলভ কৰিব পাৰিবা সিম্পল কোয়েশ্চন হৈ আছে e to the power লিখিবা দুটাতে নাইবা u plus v লিখিবা যেটো ভাল লাগে হেতুৱে লিখিবা আচ্ছা গতিকে আমি আৰু এটা কোয়েশ্চন লওঁ 30 এটো কোয়েশ্চন এক্সামত সেট হৈছে কেইবা পাৰো 30 নম্বৰ কোয়েশ্চন দিস ইজ y is equal to x to the power x cos x plus x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. This is the question. Two important question kintu agoto set hoise. Asa itia in this question the second part to tomar straightforward differentiation quotient function ase. Eto whole square hoi jabo aru baki denominator into derivative numerator minus numerator into derivative denominator eto janai. But this function is of the form fx to the power gx enakwa dhoroner hoi ase. Therefore you cannot differentiate this without taking logarithm. এটো লগারিথম মূল্য বই লাগিব গটিকে u plus v করলেও তোমার কথা নাই আর ডাইরেক্ট যদি e to the power লিখি পেলাই কৰা তেতিয়াও কথা নাই মই e to the power লিখি পেলাই কৰিছো এটো সো দ্যাট ইজ implies y is equal to it is e to the power log of x to the power x cos x then plus it is remaining sum ইয়াতে প্রয়োজন নাই কিন্তু এতে log ললেও একো লাভ নহব x square minus 1 then it is implies y is equal to this x cos x is the power so will come in front of log e to the power x cos x and log x one person is x cos x is come in front of log and this log is here so then plus it is simply x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1 now you can differentiate therefore differentiating directly explicit function so you can write directly dy dx or differentiating with respect to x to likhibo para hobita nai so e to the power this one remaining same e to the power x cos x log x there this is the derivative of e to the power now whole into derivative of this power you see here there are actually three functions x cos x and log x তো থ্রি ফাংশনস হলে আমি যোৱা বছৰে আলোচনা কৰিছিলো ফার্স্ট ডেরিভেটিভ এইটোৰ কৰিবা বাকি দুটা সেম তাৰ পিছত ডেরিভেটিভ এইটোত কৰিবা এই দুটা সেম আকৌ ডেরিভেটিভ এইটোত কৰিবা এই দুটা সেম গতিকে আমি কি পাম x is 1 so we have only cos x into log x এইটো হৈছে ফার্স্ট ওয়ান দেন cos x ডেরিভেটিভ কৰিম মই হেটো মাইনাস হৈ যাব সো হেকাৰণে মই মাইনাস লিখিছো মাইনাস x into এইটো sin x হৈ যাব into log x দেন প্লাস আকৌ এবার x cos x এটু রই যাব ঠিকঠাক into log x derivative is 1 by x so এখানে আমি পালো plus now come to the second part a part to the এটু তো straight question মই কইছিলে so it is denominator square so x square minus 1 whole square then x square minus 1 into derivative of the numerator মানে x square plus 1 or derivative it is twice x only minus then x square plus 1 into derivative of the denominator so it is again twice x simplify koriba so that is implies dy dx is equal to tumi sai laba dy dx equal to yata hil tumar etu actually kiman etu hoise log x whole to the power a duta term গতিকে ফাইনেল ৰিজাল্টটো লিখিবা যেটো আমাৰ অৰিজিনালি আছিল এইটো লক্ষ্য কৰিবা মই আগতেও কৈছো তোমালোকক এইটো একচুয়ালি log x to the power এইটো যাব আকৌ ই আৰু log টো ক্যান্সেল তাৰ মানে এইটো মানে এইটো আছিল মানে আলটিমেটলি this term can be replaced by this term x to the power cos x কারণ this was this and this was this and this was this এই কারণে মই x to the power x cos x লিখিম এটো so it is x to the power x cos x and then plus sorry not plus into etu term saba cos x into log x cos x into log x remaining same minus x sin x log x the x is cancelled so it is simply plus cos x so by 2 plus cos x দেখা পাইছানে plus cos x x sin x log x plus cos x আৰু এটো টার্ম কথা plus it is twice x cube to cancel যাব minus twice x and minus twice x so it is minus 4x divided by x square minus 1 whole square so ইয়াতে তুমি আনসারটো লেফট আউট কৰি দিবা এটা খুব ধুনিয়া কোৱেশ্চন আৰু u plus v ফৰ্মেটত যদি কৰিব খোজা কৰি লবা হা এটো কৰি লবা আৰু কনফিউজন থাকিলে মোক দিবা okay so next we come to another question so this is our question and here also u plus v ফৰ্মেটত আছে e to the power সিস্টেমতে কৰা নাইবা u plus v সিস্টেমত কৰিলে কোনো প্ৰবলেম নাই তো মই এটো হেৰি কৰো e to the power system u plus v সিস্টেমত কৰো মই দুটা মেথড ইউজ কৰো u plus v গতিকে du dx কিমান হ'ব কবা মোক dy dx is equal to this is du dx plus this is dv dx mark it by 1 then u is what u is equal to now what to dile bhal u is equal to x cos x whole to the power x naki likhilo moi then u logo it is equal to x into baki kine hobo log of x cos x separate ichha korile koribo pariba eko okobida nai aru enke rakhile kotha nai so differentiating with respect to x left hand side is 1 by u into du dx is equal to x is derivative 1 so log of x cos x same thaki jabo plus yate disu plus x remaining same then log function derivative is 1 by yate x cos x hobo into then x cos x derivative x is 1 so cos x remaining same plus it plus no minus আহি যাব কারণ cos x derivative minus so minus x sin x is the differentiation then cross product it is implies du dx is equal to u whole into it is log of x cos x this x is cancelled so plus numerator will be cos x minus x sin x whole terms divided by cos x only গতিকে এটো তুমি 1 minus x tan x লিখিব পাৰিবা একো প্ৰবলেম নাই তো এটো যদি চাগৰা লিখি লব পাৰিবা so what is u u is actually এইটো আসলে u is equal to x cos x whole to the power x so to replace কৰিবা it is x cos x whole to the power x then whole into this is remaining same whole into log of x cos x and this can be written as plus 1 minus x tan x enake likhibo pariba so this is the differentiation of the first function du dx now come to the function v and v is equal to v to ki asile eto soba v is equal to yato sale gam paba v is equal to x sin x whole to the power 1 by x so you write here x sin x whole to the power 1 by x you are to logarithm logoi lagibo base power function ase so he karone log of v is equal to 1 by x will come out into the remaining part is log of x into sin x etu separate kori lobo pariba mane log x plus log sin x enake kintu proyojon nai enake thakok then differentiating with respect to x, left hand side ahibo 1 by v into dv dx is equal to right side 1 by x derivative nishoy jano ami minus 1 by x square, then into log of it is remaining same x sin x, then plus 1 by x remaining same into log derivative is 1 by x sin x into then x sin x derivative is simply sin x plus x cos x, x cos x. Simplify, it is implies dv dx is equal to, v will go there, so v whole into it is actually minus log of x sin x divided by x square only, then plus it is sin x plus x cos x divided by it is x square sin x, then replace the value of v, v value to put kore dile hoi jabo. तो v value to kiman asile, it was this is v equal to x sin x to the power 1 by x, so to replace kori dim sai lobo tumi. So dv dx mane moi hetu khali ei v value to put kori disu, baki khini as it is ase. তাৰছত 1 implies কৰি প্লাই dy dx is equal to asile du dx plus dv dx, তো du dx এর ভ্যালুটো হৈছে এটো, তোমালোকে প্রবলেমটোৰ আপাৰ সেকশনত চাবা, আৰু dv dx এর ভ্যালুটো এই মাত্ৰ পালো মই এইখিনি, সো এখানে পুট কৰি দিয়া হৈছে খালি. So this is the solution of the question. Now we have another question. So এটো হৈছে তোমাৰ কোৱেশ্চনটো, আৰু এটো তুমি নিজে সলভ কৰিব পাৰিবা. মই কৈ আছো কোনটো প্ৰবলেম, এই যে 22 নম্বৰ কোৱেশ্চন তুমি কৰি আহিছিলা, মই দেখাই দিছো। এটো প্ৰবলেম আগতে চাই লোৱা, x to the power y plus y to the power x is equal to 1, and 22 নম্বৰ কোৱেশ্চনটো চোৱা, এতে চোৱা y to the power x plus x to the power y plus x to the power x equal to a to the power b. তো ডিফারেন্সটো কত পালো আমি, আমার যেটো প্রবলেম দিছে তাতে আছে x to the power y plus y to the power x, তো x to the power y plus y to the power x এই দুটো টার্ম আর ওই দুটো টার্ম ল্যাপস করে দিছে, গটিকে আলটিমেটলি তুমি এই প্রবলেমটোই এই দুটো টার্ম ল্যাপস কৰি গলে হল, বাকিখিনি তো একই থাকিব। সো with the help of the question number 22 you can solve this question 32, এটা তোমালোকে নিজে কৰিবা। আচ্ছা আমি নেক্সট কোৱেশ্চনটো চাও। see this question, y is equal to 1 plus x to the power x plus x to the power 1 plus x, তো এনেকুৱা মেথডৰ কোৱেশ্চন আমি সলভ কৰিছো। ই টু দি পাৱাৰ সিস্টেমত যদি কৰা তেতিয়াও প্ৰবলেম নাই, আৰু যদি কোৱা যে মই লগাৰিথম এক্সট্ৰাকে লম মানে u plus v লৈ পেলাই তাৰ পিছত লম তেতিয়াও কথা নাই, বাট ইউ হ্যাভ টু ইউজ লগাৰিথম, লগাৰিথম ইউজ কৰিবই লাগিব, অন্যথা তুমি ইয়াক সলভ কৰিব নোৱাৰিবা। ওকে, গতিকে এইটো কোৱেশ্চন তোমাৰ হোমৱৰ্কে থাকিল, সলভ কৰিবা। এইটো মোটামুটি চেপ্টাৰটো প্ৰায় লাষ্ট পোৰ্শনত আহি পাইছো আমি। You have the question this one, x to the power x whole to the power x, it is actually what, to মন কৰিবা আগতে এটা কৰি আহিছিল যদিও হেতু আৰু এটো অলপমান ডিফারেন্স আছে, it is actually x to the power x square, কিন্তু x to the power x square তাৰ পিছত তুমি লগাৰিথম লবা, so log of y is equal to x square will come in front of the function x square into log x. The rest of the section of আমি differentiation কৰো, differentiating with respect to x, so left hand side is 1 by y into dy dx, and the right hand side is twice x into log x, then plus x square into 1 by x only, and that is implies dy dx is equal to y whole into twice x into log of x, then plus one of the x is cancelled here, so it is only x, and replace the value of y, and y was x to the power x whole to the power x whole into twice x log x plus x. X can take common here, গতিকে হেতু আর তোমালোকে লিখিব পাৰিবা। So that is the solution for the question. You come to another question. So this is the question, it is also homework for you, এটো তোমালোকে নিজে কৰিবা। অসুবিধা থাকিলে মোক কবা, মই সলভ কৰাই দিম। So y is equal to e to the power x, এটো u plus v কৰিলে হ'ব আৰু e to the power লিখিলে হ'ব, তোমাৰ যেটো সুবিধা u plus v টা কৰিবা, u plus v টা কৰিবা, নহলে পাজলিং হৈ যায় তোমালোকৰ, গতিকে u plus v টা কৰিবা। আৰু last এটা question মই দি দিছো চাবা, this is one of the important question, find the derivative of fx equal to this function and hence find f dash 1. So first of all you take a function, you take the solution, fx is equal to, you write the function 1 plus x, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x to the power 4 and into 1 plus x to the power 8. This is your function. Direct differentiation koribo nalage, tumi ki kora logarithm use kora, because it is the product of 4 functions. 1, 2, 3, 4 functions. So here karone tumi logarithm use kori korla easy hoye jabe. So log of fx is equal to, it is log of 1 plus x. Then this is plus log of 1 plus x square. Then again plus log of 1 plus x to the power 4. Then again plus log of 1 plus x to the power 8. Then differentiate. So differentiating with respect to x, left hand side is 1 by fx into fx function derivative is f dash x is equal to log function derivative is 1 by 1 plus x, and then plus it is 1 by 1 plus x square, but this time it is 1 plus x square derivative is twice x. Then again plus 1 by 1 plus x to the power 4 into, this is derivative 4x cube, this one 4x cube. Then plus 1 by 1 plus x to the power 8 derivative is 8x to the power 7. Then it is implies f dash x is equal to fx whole into 1 by 1 plus x, then plus twice x by 1 plus x square, then plus 4x cube by 1 plus x to the power 4, then plus 8x to the power 7 by 1 plus x to the power 8. This is your expression now. And then replace fx, that is implies f dash x is equal to, fx was 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x to the power 4 into 1 plus x to the power 8. This was fx into the remaining section 1 by 1 plus x plus twice x by 1 plus x square plus 4x cube by 1 plus x to the power 4, then plus 8x to the power 7 by 1 plus x to the power 8. So this is the solution of the first part of the question. F dash x2 uliabo kise. Then f dash 1 kiman hobo? F dash 1. Then ebilak sob 1 kori dia x er place 1 kori dile answer paই dibo. Etu moi likhi disu tomolok sabo. So after putting x is equal to 1, you will get 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, then 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 4 by 2 and 8 by 2. So 2 to the power 4 is 16 only into LCM 1 plus 2 3, 7, 7 plus 8 15 by 2. It is actually 8 into 15, and so that answer is 120. That is the answer. Okay. So this is the end of the chapter. And in the next class we will discuss about the differentiation of symmetric infinite series. Thank you very much.